How to fix AON 2 unable to connect to login server problem. Hey everyone, if AON 2 isn't letting you log in and you keep getting the unable to connect to login server message, don't worry, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that usually solves the problem. Just follow along step by step. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. When it appears, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This part is important. It has to be opened with admin permissions for the fix to work. Once command prompt is open, you'll need to enter a few safe internet reset commands. I've put all of these commands in the description below so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After typing in all the commands, the next step is crucial. Restart your computer. This reboot applies all the changes and completes the network reset process. Once your PC turns back on, go ahead and open AON 2 again. At this point, the unable to connect to login server error should be gone. And that's it. This simple network reset fix solves the problem for most people. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.